Okay, so today we're going to show you how you can factory reset your Google Nest Audio. This is handy if you want to give it away or sell it, or you're just having problems with it and you want to take it back to factory settings to reset back up again. So simply all you do is just turn it round, okay, and then you're looking for the mute button and you need to turn that on. So let's turn that on. You'll hear it say mic's off, and the mute button, you'll have a little orange thing there to tell you it's on. But not only that, when you go round to the hub itself,
the mic's off. To turn it back on, slide the switch.
If you touch it, it'll tell you. But more importantly, you will have orange lights on the front. Now, they're difficult to see in this light, but these lights are orange. So I've got 4 orange lights. So then with the 4 orange lights switched on, just press and hold the top in the middle there and keep your finger down on it. It'll look like nothing's happening, and then suddenly
you're about to completely reset this device. Release to cancel.
So keep your finger on it when you hear the message saying you're about to completely reset this device. As soon as you hear that chime, then let go. Okay, and now it's in the process of resetting and rebooting. Now it may take a minute or so. And as you can see, the lights have gone out, and hopefully in the next few seconds we should see the lights come back on and pulse from left to right and then right to left. And that will do that for a little while.
Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these 3 things help us make more great videos for you.
And there we go, it's starting up. You'll hear the normal startup chime.
Hi, to get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
And
the mic's off.
And then you'll need to remember to unmute it. So turn it back round again, okay? And flip that switch back.
The microphone is back on.
And there you go. When it tells you the microphone's back on, it's back on. And you can either turn it off now, package it up for donation or resale, or you can set it up using your Google Home app. If you haven't got the Google Home app, then you can download it from your App Store to your phone or your tablet and just follow the instructions on screen.
I hope you liked this video, and if you did, consider hitting that thanks button and making a donation to this channel. Or if you can't do that, then have a look in the description down below. We've got some great links down there for you to various things, including my Amazon shop, which contains all the things I love at the moment on Amazon: Fire TV sticks, Fire TV cubes and VPNs. Buying, subscribing and donating really does help support this channel. It helps me to be able to dedicate more time to spend researching to bring you these great videos. And whilst you're at my YouTube channel, why not stick around? I've got thousands of other videos for you right here, right now, covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully whilst you're here, you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some time and money. And if you do see any videos that you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like to see, then please don't forget to share these videos on your social media timelines. You can check me out on X, I'm at CWTEK. You can also check out my website, it's cwtek.co.uk. Thanks for watching and speak to you again soon.